Hello watch fans, this is my latest unboxing video. As you would have seen from the thumbnail, this is a Zelos watch. I've heard about Zelos ever since I got into the hobby about 2 years ago, and I finally pulled the trigger on one when they had the launch of their Swordfish 40mm about a month ago, and it just arrived today actually. So here goes. Interesting, the box seemed to have been opened. Wow. You get a very nice wooden box. I really do like wooden items, to be honest. A nice engraved Zelos logo right at the top. Ooh, you get a nice pouch here. A zippered pouch. That's interesting. Put this to the side a little. This is interesting, a new kind of watch roll. I definitely did not expect this. I thought this would be the traditional, watch roll, but this looks more like a zipped pouch instead, which looks to be able to hold 4 watches. It's very interesting. What do you get besides the watch? Immediately, that teal dial looks amazing. Guess you get the metal warranty card. I think you get 1 year's warranty with Xelos, and I did hear other YouTubers mention that they would love to see at least 2, but yeah, nice card though. Okay, onto the watch itself. I've always been a sucker for stainless steel bezels, and this is a stainless steel bezel. I didn't want the ceramic ones because I really do like stainless steel bezels. And that teal dial, just first impressions, it looks great. And I have to say, it feels extremely chunky. It really is a significant watch. Let's get off all the plastics off. It's got a bit of plastic. Oh, that's a very nice Swordfish logo at the back, if you can see. I'm sorry I can't focus closer because the lens that I have on doesn't allow me to, but it's a very nice polished Swordfish logo amidst the brushed background. It's really sweet. And let's get the front protective layer off, which is just amazing. Yeah, it's a great feeling. Here you go. We have to do that, right? To test the bezel out almost immediately. It feels like it clicks really nicely into place, but there is a very, very slight back play. Still okay, still feels very nice. Oops, let me see if it aligns. Yep, it looks like it's perfectly aligned. Definitely a chunky watch for sure, especially with that protruding mid-link at the bracelet. The bracelet looks extremely solid as well. It's really thick. Solid clasps. Seems to close nicely and open nicely. Well, just a very quick unboxing video. Feels awesome. Hope I can do a very quick review of it soon, after maybe spending a short amount of time with it. Let's see how much time I have in the next couple of weeks to really get the review on. Again, first impressions have been great. Get a nice Zelos logo at the crown as well. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks guys for watching, and hopefully you'll see me in my next vid when I review this watch. Take care.